to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video we are going to see what's changes occur in the Chiliz in the previous last 2 hour, last 1 hour. What's the price changes, what's the high price of Chiliz in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button now and complete my 3K subscriber. I need your support. Please kindly hit the subscribe button and support me. Now let's see what's price changes occur in the Chiliz in the previous last 2 hour, last 1 hour. As you can see now, first of all we look the last 1 hour result of the Chiliz in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour. So if we look the Chiliz price prediction in the previous last 1 hour, the price changes. If we, first of all we look the chart analysis of Chiliz. So the chart tells us that the Chiliz have a jumping upward, jumping, and currently they are in the jumping, as you can see. So they are jumping at this time. As you can see here, the changes as about positive 0.51% change occur in the Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour. That is the live price prediction of Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of Chiliz as approx $0.527769 is the high price of Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour. So that is the last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's see what's change occur in the previous 2 hour of Chiliz. Oh my god, approximately there are a very good change occur in the Chiliz cryptocurrency. As you can see here, absolutely good change. As you can see here, they are jumping upward, and the previous 2 hour they take a little jump, but after this they take a high jump, as you can see on the graph. So they are in the jump. If you want to make money in a cryptocurrencies market, so it's a big opportunity for you to buy a Chiliz and make a good amount of money and make a good profit, because the Chiliz goes up. As you can see here, the change is positive 0.42% occur in the Chiliz in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Chiliz in the previous 2 hour is about $0.52769 is the high price of Chiliz in the previous last 2 hour. So it's a really big opportunity for you to buy a Chiliz and make a good amount of money and make a good profit by Chiliz. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.